American Shifter.
You'll need some basic hand tools for installation and something like a hacksaw to cut threaded rod. Determine your install position for the top plate. And mount the top plate to the side brackets using the supplied hardware. Do not fully tighten at this point to allow for final adjustment later. Position the tail brackets at the rear of the transmission and fasten with the supplied Allen head screws. Make sure the adjustable tabs are aligned to the top plate and fasten with the provided screws. Attach the shifter mechanism to the top plate to match your interior shifter location, and tighten with supplied Allen head screws and nylon nuts. The shifter mechanism can be installed in 8 different locations on the top plate. Next, you will connect the linkage. To find the correct rod length for your linkage, measure between the 1/4 inch holes found on the shifter mechanism and the shift lever near the fluid pan. Now subtract 1 3/4 inches and cut the supplied threaded rod. Install the rod bearings and jam nuts at each end. Fasten the shift rod to the shifter mechanism arm. Install the shift lever to your transmission near the pan. Attach the other end of the shift rod to the shift lever and securely fasten with supplied hardware. Remove the shifter arm to expose the shifter cable, and slide the side shifting adapter onto the lower shifter body. Install the bushing supports to both sides of the shifting adapter, and secure to the shifter body with 2 Allen screws. While the shifter is in neutral, install the side shift activation arm so that it almost touches or rests on the roller bearing. Then use the washer and bolt to press the arm onto the hex boss. Set the activation spring to your preference for side shifting gears. Set the shifter arm in neutral. Then tighten the set screw until it makes contact with the lower shifter body. Reinstall the shifter arm and trim the surplus cable if needed. Thread the shifter cable through the shift arm and screw the arm into the mounting position on the shifter assembly. Secure with the lock nut. Trim the excess shifter cable so that the cable rests directly beneath your shift knob's button. Add your shift knob to the top of the arm and thread into place. Place the button on top and secure with set screw. Test the shifter in each gear and secure all hardware. If needed, adjust the activation and stop screw.
American Shifter. American Shifter.